video, you'll learn how to use the preset and cruise tracks on a pan and tilt, or PT, HD camera. First, navigate to the live video interface and click Preset. Adjust the camera to where you want the preset viewing field to be and click the plus icon. Then, name the preset position for easy future selection. To add more preset positions, repeat the preceding steps. You can add up to 12 presets. Now, go to Settings, PTZ, then Cruise Setting. Here, we can add several cruise track presets. Click the Add button and then name the cruise track preset. Select the preferred preset from the left box, then click the Add button. The chosen preset will be added to the box on the right. Choose at least 2 presets. Then, click OK and click Save to save the cruise preset. Go to the live video page, navigate to Cruise, and you can choose the cruise track you have set. From there on, the camera will cruise automatically according to the track preset. If you want to delete or change the cruise track, just choose the current cruise track and click the Delete button. To delete a preset, just choose the preset and click on the minus button.